for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hold on, brightness screen. All right, much better. Alright, you see guys, you see why I'm telling you you have to be careful of the people that want to have in our surroundings. Because you see, having the wrong people around you guys, hmm, it's not good. And then everybody that you meet or you see, you should trust. Because everybody has a hidden agenda. Everybody have their motive. Sometimes, even the very same people them who you think should have your back, they don't have your back. And I don't know when are we going to wake up, because sometimes we think because we help people, then who we are obligation. No, they know we're not obligation. They don't owe us any obligation. Once you help a person, if they don't want to talk to you or they don't want to be around you for whatever reason, and they no longer want to be friends with you, you don't have to get upset, you can just keep it moving. And I think Marlon had help Colaz, and both of them help each other because they were friends, so they're going to help each other. And whatever the situation was that caused them to fall apart, because come on, we're going to be talking about Marlon over here, and caused them to fall apart. Marlon didn't have to come out to do any video, Marlon didn't have to say anything to anybody. In spite of he may feel a way that he wasn't getting the attention, he didn't have to come out, come talk nothing. You didn't have to say anything to anybody. You wasn't getting the attention for whatever reason. You wasn't getting the attention. Just keep it moving. Because today you may lose a friend, and tomorrow you gain another friend. And Marlon should realize that he's a big man. He shouldn't be in a them like a pasa here with with young people. You understand? You are allowing other person to insult you, to call you all sort of name. And I believe that whatever you get, you should take it, You know why I say you take whatever you get? Because you see, if you never put yourself in a this situation, if you didn't open your mouth, thank you for that thumbs up. If you didn't open your mouth, you and nobody wouldn't have any problem. But because you're not yet grown. So this is the reason why you needed so much attention. It's only a baby should need so much attention, not a grown ass man. Welcome, blessed girl. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. A grown ass person should never be craving so much attention from another man who is not their father. If the person was your father, you could understand. But I know, guys, trust me, I know that this is not what you normally see me post, but whatever it is that's going on, I'm going to be talking about it. I'm going to be voicing my opinion. Welcome. Thank you so much. Blessed girl. Welcome, welcome. Thank you. Guys, me there go and set up my live stream. Meanwhile, I'm talking. But you see, in life, we have to choose our friends wisely. Because honestly, hello, welcome, Lucia. Honestly, I do believe that you didn't mean for everything to explode the way it explode, but by time you realize it's it's already gone out of control. Why you say wait a minute? Welcome everyone, welcome. So you see that's why I'm saying me don't want a friend, I don't want no, I don't want a close relationship friend with nobody at all. Where me a go for them yard and them a come on my yard. I don't want that. I honestly don't want that. We could be friends on social media, yes. We meet up, we post our contents and stuff like that. But no, no sort of bestie friend thing, because you see the end of the day, people on social media, is when them finish use you, they will dispose you like a garbage. They will dispose you like a garbage. And honestly, what's for food? I'm having some veggie chunks along with some boiled dumpling and chocho and some delete Nightbot from out of my stream, so why Nightbot still here? Hold on. Hide. Remember hide Nightbot from my channel because honestly, me delete Nightbot from out of my stream, so I don't know all Nightbot still there. That's why you see you have to be careful the kind of apps them wanna put on the channel. Sure. Anyways, guys, see, I had this friend, and before I go to this friend, what I have, you see, if you have a friend and you realize the friend talkative, everything that the friend will talk, zip your mouth. And if you are talking to somebody and you hear them go like this, and stuff like that, hold on, and you hear them going like that, don't trust them. I need a symbol. Hold on. Let me give you guys a jacket. And you hear them make a funny sound. Just best believe that they're going back with your name. They're gonna go back with your name. They're gonna be talking about everything that you guys just mentioned. They're gonna be talking about it. That's why you can't be too quick to talk. Sometimes people do something. And Marlon, you of all person, you are around so long, You are around so long. So why didn't you expect that they were going to switch on you? You think anybody wants to see you get you or anybody get much attention? People, guys, my post a video about a hour now. Please, I'm asking you to check it out and leave a comment on it, guys. I'm also trying to work on my watch hour. So any type of content that gonna get me my watch hour, I will be going on it. And anyway, I have a friend, and we fall out at one point, right? And she went, she discussed me behind my back. And when she discussed me behind my back, I heard everything back because she didn't know that I know the person that she was discussing me with. And when she hear I call the person name, if she could have sinking at the hurt, she would have sinking at the hurt. I didn't go back to her same time, but I just make her know that I know the person she's talking to, talking about me with. And after a period of time, I tell her every single thing that she said, word for word. I told her. And she tried to justify whatever she said about me behind my back. She tried to justify it. So I'm saying this to say, yes, when you have people like that and so forth, be careful what you say to them. I realize that YouTube not allowing links to drop in. I don't know what happened. I don't know why the reason why it not allowing to drop links. But what you could do, you can just click on person name that you see come up and go over to their channel. I don't know why it's not allowing to drop link, because I tried dropping links the other day and it's not going through. Let me refresh this. Guys, somebody out to get a call, I'm gonna answer. Me na name so. Anyways, guys, as I say, you have to be careful who you. Hold on, I'm gonna answer. Okay. Somebody else. Anyway, thank you guys. I don't know what happened to the control thing. Control. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna know how we're going at that for fix it. I'm gonna know that about it. Hold on. We're gonna try to fix that tomorrow, but we can't go fix. I'm gonna try to fix that tomorrow because I don't want to go. I don't say that. I don't want to go in nothing what I don't really know and the cause a problem. So as I was saying, tomorrow when I have more time, we go in it. When I go in settings answer, let me go in now. General. Hold on there. I not think more. I not think more why you come do something. They come mess up my channel right about now. Mm-mm. You see, that's why you have to be careful who you give blue jacket and all of these things. Anyway, as I said before, you have to be careful with persons who you tell your business, people who you confide in. Because when you think say you are you're doing good for the person. The person don't want to good for you. The person they feel as if hold on, music will play. Guys, music I play, so I mute it a bit. Come on, Kabari. There's a music playing, so I mute it until I'm drive off. It's still buffering. Hold on. I don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna try to fix the thing because I realize that a link now drop. I don't know why I can't drop no link in on my live stream. Welcome, welcome, Uncle Barry. All right. Let me try see if I can drop link in there because I don't know what go wrong a while ago. But somebody came here and they was explaining, and they had to use the F word. I don't tolerate that. I don't care who you are. Do not use any curse word to me. I do not use curse word. I'm gonna want nobody use it to me. If you're going to, if I don't know something and you're going to show me something and you cannot explain it the right and proper way, don't bother explain it to me because it's in my mouth. It's in my little mouth. When me go figure go unleash, me go unleash. I'm not want nobody say me and disrespect them. If you show me respect, I show you respect. That's just how it is with me. So as I was saying, I had this friend that every time she would talk about me behind my back, and I would hear it back word for word. And she would say, "Don't trust the person because I lie them what all and one bag of story." Anyway, I didn't say anything. I just act as if I was well, and I'm getting to the point of the story. You see, people overall, they have a motive, and we have to learn to know who is for us or who is against us. Guys, I'm a pass with them loud music. And let me see if the link start to show back. Uh, Guys, let me know if you can see the link because I don't know what's. Let me know if you can see the link. See, with a YouTube, every minute YouTube change up. Every minute YouTube change up so much. I don't even know what to do. Anyway, every minute should I talk about me, I would hear it back. Well, the same thing happened to Marlon. With Marlon and Color Smith TV, Marlon had said something about Color Smith, and the same person that he mentioned it with, then bring back in name. So, word of advice to you, Marlon. If you get to see this video, this live stream, either before or afterwards, don't trust nobody at all. Do not trust anybody as of today, because guess what? They would say once bitten, twice shy. So ensure that you not chat your friend them again. Because you see, if anybody talk about your friend, you wouldn't know the problem where you're in now, you know. If anybody go talk about Color Smith TV, you wouldn't in the problem that you are in. And see now, it left you in a sticky situation because you no longer have that friendship. You don't have that friendship anymore. I don't know why me can't send a message to them. I don't know why the links not going out. So I'm saying this to each and everyone. You see if I have a problem with a person, don't sit down behind their back and talk about them. Call them or go and have a sit down where both of you guys sit down face to face and have a discussion. Try find some means of way of communicating with the person. But you see, if you have to go talk about the person behind the person back, it no spell no sense. Because here what gonna happen now. People are going to twist your words. It's gonna be what you say versus what they say. So if you are gonna talk about the person behind their back, don't basic code potentially inappropriate message. I don't know why am I care. If you have to be talking about a person behind their back and they feel away because they hear what you say about them, um, it will cause a problem. It's gonna cause a problem. So here what you're gonna know. You're going to ensure that you talk to them. Don't let the people hear it from out of a next person more. Because you know the hurtful thing is you say you are a person or a friend, and you are speaking about them behind their back, and the same people who you are chat them with, same people go call back your name. You know that feel away. That time I always tell people say, you see anything that you're going to say about a person, please ensure that you're able to say it in front of them. Don't only be able to say it behind their backs, but ensure that you're able to say it in front of them if push come to shove. Because you had a problem with Color Smith TV, you couldn't able for handle your situation, and you make other people able to do something there if you talk if you go back to him with your name. Will you guys and Color Smith TV will ever be friends? I can't say never, but who knows? But even if you guys go back to being friends, It's gonna be weird. You guys are not going to be able to act as normal around each other, because guess what? Because both of you guys would be pretending. You guys will be pretending with each other. And you see, we as vloggers, content creators, we need to learn how to respect each other. We need to know how to show each other love. Instead of tearing down a person, we need to know how to show love. When I have to be disrespectful, because a lot of us are so bloody disrespectful. We don't know how to talk to people, and because we don't know how to talk to people, we talk to people as if they are our kids or something. But Mega said this. Sometimes we need to learn to keep our mouth too. And everything that comes to our mind, we're supposed to say it. Because even though you might be hurting or you might feel away or something, and everybody have to open your mouth too. Because here what you see, you open your mouth, you open your mouth and I don't you open your mouth and you make that man hear back everything, while you could have just mentioned whatever problem you had with him. You could have just mentioned it to him. But no, you was man enough to able to mention whatever it was and so forth. So somebody else had to take back whatever conversation you guys had, and now it becomes a problem. You see how it goes? It becomes a problem. While if you did just go to the man and talk to the man, tell the man say, here what's going on? Me feel as if you had changed because the support that I gave you, I didn't receive back the same support. If I did go and explain that to him, maybe he could have started out situation, but no, you not do that. You didn't do that. And because you not do that, that end up and destroy on a friendship. Anything I'm gonna say about a person, if I see the person, I can say it to them face to face. I'm not gonna be a hypocrite. And that's what most of you all are. Social media is a good place and it's also a bad place. If you get what I mean. Because you have your best, you said you love the person so much. That's what you said. You love the person so much, but you couldn't tell the person exactly how you feel. That means you don't love the person. Because if you had to go to somebody else to voice your opinion and to voice your feeling, that me and the person and a friend. Any one of my friends that I have, and I see they start acting away, guess what? I am going to reach out to them. I'm gonna make them know, so here what? They see you act some way, I'ma feel some type of way. And if they are not willing to change and so forth, I cut them right off. So if me have you as a friend and me realize say You not show me no interest. Who? I'm not showing you no interest because me go cut you right off. Because you see life, it's a two-way stream. It's not a one-sided situation. So if me and you are friend, you must be able to communicate with me. If you can't communicate with me, why are we friends in the first place? That doesn't spell sense. It doesn't make sense we be friends because if we are unable to communicate the right way, we're not friends. You go your way and I go my way, and there's no way on hurt I'm gonna feel away if somebody is not talking to me. Make that make me feel down and out. That's where you go wrong because now people are going to drag your name all over social media. Mm. What you think that gonna look? You think that gonna look good? That not gonna look good. That doesn't look good for neither one of you know. Not one of you it look good for. Because guess what? You see, because you are friends with a person, so anything bad the person do, it's going to have a reflection on the other person as well. So that's why I'm always saying you have to be very careful who you associate yourself with because guess what? Whatever a person who you associate yourself with do, it can have an effect on your brand. That's why I am so afraid of going out doing collaboration with other persons. If I do a one or two collaboration, but not like what I see you guys doing, like you're joining partnership with your platforms. It's a risky task. It's good. It can help to grow your platform, yes, but is it the right decision? We never know. And worse with you as a mama's boy. As a mama's boy, hey, welcome everyone. Like and share the stream as you enter. Guys, I'll make sure if we get links to drop. I don't know what's going on. Uh, I don't know what's going on. See, not able to drop links. Don't know why not able to drop the links. And I'm here looking at the my notebook trying to fix it so that when persons come in they can able to drop their channel link, but it's not going through and I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do, guys, because may try to fix it so that when I give persons a blue jacket they would be able to drop links, but I don't know what's going on. I will just remove it. I don't know what's going on. YouTube keep on a change up every minute, and so them change because it's just I just recently not able to drop links, you know. It's just recently. So I don't know what to do. Guys, you see me eat and I put on all my food. Basic. Welcome, welcome everyone. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And also go over to Vibes with Sexy Juliana YouTube channel and subscribe. Guys, somebody that get a call and me not answer. Me not looking. Me not looking. Marco then gone at them bed. Yeah? Me answer feeling my tell saying gone at them bed and then I hear me not answer back again. I'm sorry me not answer. Hold on guys. Welcome guys, sorry about that. Somebody died yet and them constantly even though me bed they still a call. So me I forgot knock them up. Anyways, as me I say, be careful of who you have as friends. Be careful. Cause guess what? People pretend so well to be your friend when in fact they are not your friends. They will act as if they are your friends. They will do everything, say everything like they are your friends. True, the fact is they are not your friends, you know. They were never your friends. But you see, because most of us are so blindsided to everything, we believe that everybody that comes across is our friend. So sometimes you have to test out some people who not even on the surroundings. Test them out. And everybody will just come around and so we're not gonna accept as friend. And anybody where you hear love fly them out, but just best be known, say, them gonna chat you the same way. People who fly them out not for down round, you know. Them the type of people they call them shaky warriors. Cause guess what? The same way them do them things there and so forth. I see them with them gonna try to be in the back. And at the same way, them gonna do something there. The same way they are going to carry a business car road. And if they know anything about you, best believe it, they are going to talk. So word of advice. Be careful, be careful who you have around you. Because the people where you have around you, hmm, them quick to let you down here. They are so quick to fail you. And the sooner we learn, the better it will be. That's why I'm gonna try to tell people nothing about me, because you see, the less you tell people about you, the better it is. But no, somehow no, as on meet people no start blabber on a mouth. As on meet people no start tell them this on a life story. Sometimes when you need the help, not everybody if you take the help from it's not everybody if you take help from. Sometimes when you know you want the help, let the help pass you by. Let it pass by, because sometimes you take help from people and trust me, it becomes a weapon to your back. It becomes a weapon to your back, because guess what? They use it as a whip. They use it as a whip against you. I don't know why someone will love fly with mouth. So I don't know why we love fly with mouth. So you see, because enough of we love fly with mouth. Something. Hold on, guys, make it one call. Yes, guys, sorry about that. As me I say, some of us we like to tell people, we like to tell people our life story too much. Sometimes we need to hold back on some things, and not everything if we learn to talk. Sometimes you want all the help, and you know you want the help, and you not bother take the help from some people, because sometimes they come, if you say them I help you, and trust me, they're going to use it against you. So you not even know who to take help from nowadays. Because as me say, everybody come with an agenda. Everybody come with an agenda. Welcome guys, thumbs up the stream as you enter. Guys, me currently having a problem with my live stream. Me don't know why people can't able to drop links and stuff like that. Um, but where there's none, community default. Let's see something. Holding up. I don't know what happened, but let me see back. It's none. There's no black words. Um, da, 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 da. Oh, me still not see nothing. Why me can't able? Why people can't able to drop like links? I don't know. I don't know what's going on because there's no track delay or anything like that. Everything looks good on my hand, but since of lately, I don't know what YouTube doing. I don't know what YouTube doing. Trust me, but not able to drop links. Alright, so welcome everyone, welcome. Like and share the stream, guys, as you enter. Let me know where you're watching from, guys. Guys, let me tell you, life is so good. You see, as a content creator, we just have to push the work out. The more you push the work out, the better it is. So whatever you want, you have to work for it. Anything that comes too easy don't last long. Anything you see that comes too easy don't last long. So I'm gonna say if they are gonna be back friends. Because mother really like to see them go back as friends, you know. I would like to see all of them go back as friends. But will it work? We don't know. But you see them people who care back in my name, no good either. Them no good. Them same people who sit down and chat with them and then care about the man name, come put it out on social media, they are not to be trusted. All of them are Judas. They are a bunch of rats. Guys, somebody custom me have to mute the mic. I mean, I want a bad word go over the media. Welcome everyone. Guys, hope I'm live. I hope I didn't know. People always in a couscous. So I don't want nothing bad go over because spoil up my video. But as I say guys, please be careful who you have in your circle. Because oftentimes we have Judas in our circle. And they pretend so flipping well. They pretend so much, Or them pretend? Oh God. You don't think that they're angels sent from above when they're devil in disguise. So please be careful. Who you have in your circle? Who you call as friends? Okay? That is something that we need to remember. Out of everything that you see that is going on now on social media, I hope that we learn something from it. Just take a page out of each and every person book that you see and you will realize. Just take a page out of them book. When you take a page out of them book, you cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong. Because trust me, everything when we see on social media what take place for the past couple of days now is something that I've been talking about having the wrong type of people around us, talking about socializing with the wrong crowd. Colaz TV socialize with the wrong crowd. Marlon socialize with the wrong crowd. The whole of them socialize with the wrong crowd. Because whatever the difference was, you can't sit down behind a person and chat the person. You say you don't mean it for no harm or whatever. And you guys were laughing and all these things. You go call a person out of their name. You meant it for harm. Whether you want to admit it yes or no, you know what you do. You are currently playing a game. I have played the sympathy role. Mhm. You are playing a game. And I think you have played very well too. I honestly believe you're playing it very well. You know exactly what you're doing. Art and craft you come with. Marlon you come with art and craft. You're trying to play the victim role. And not everybody going to believe you. And not everybody go sorry for you. Cause you have some way hard like a rock stone. And God can melt it. Some of us heart is so hard like a rock stone. And mother tell us that be careful who you trust next time. Be careful who you trust. Because it don't seems like you have any luck whatsoever. You don't have no luck. Look on you easy cry, you cry for every little thing. You look so soft. You're softer than me as a female. Me as a female, me nah cry over everything. Oh, you're not soldier. You're a shaky warrior. You have to learn to be tough. You can't make everything get you down. Here and everything to get you down. Who can tell me nothing for me feel away? Feel away. My laugh off of you, I'm a gamble my business. Because I'm gonna make you put me in a state of depression where I don't know my bed head from my bed foot. Mm-mm. Man the panda one day. I am not into that one. So be careful of the friends I'm gonna keep. That's my saying. Be careful. And if you don't have good to say, all time people that say nothing at all. Don't say nothing at all. Because looking back at it too, what if we are out here and we are saying everything? We are saying Colaz now go and be back friends with him. And then tomorrow now we see this the two of them so loving and out here doing back content up and down on social media. You know who? We going to look like an idiot. And when we say all of we are gonna look like idiot because the end of the day, with you carrying a next person name to a person and trying to break off their friendship, what you think go happen? What do you think going to happen? You think that the person not gonna trust you? The person not gonna trust you because the person not gonna say you're a snitch. The person not gonna say you're informer. Even though you're trying to put them on the right path, they not gonna want to trust you. So you're gonna preach like Peter, Paul, and John, doing the whole 9 yard, and the person still I go look on your side with eye. You think that spells sense? Sometimes you have to see a person a drop in a ditch. And you have to just allow the person making go and go making one mistake. Because sometimes we are trying to save people who don't want to be saved. I see the moment where when we learn that is not everybody we can save, the better it will be for us. So somehow we need to stop saving people who we cannot save. Kahala we are trying to play hero. When we know from heaven and hurt say we can't save everybody. Because a one man alone can do that. And it's the creator. And as far as to what me see and where me observe, I don't think that Marlon get that fatherly love that he needed when he was a child because there's no way and God hurt you should be seeking that love and attention from another person who is not your dad. Because the whole I want to see Colaz give a person attention. I don't know who Colaz was giving the attention because my seminar follow up the story for too long. I don't know who you was giving the attention and you feel away. You feel away as if he's not giving you the attention that you need. You are seek for attention. And you not get the attention. So you know what? You feel away. You know, you're gonna feel away. I mean, honestly to God, I feel sorry for you. I feel so sorry for you. And you know why I feel sorry for you? Cause you're a big man. I go up in a age. and so forth. I know say it can put you in a state of depression. It can give you high blood pressure. It can fling you in a hospital and all of these things. So me have a little conscience. So I'm not going to beat you too bad. But one thing me can say, you chat too much for your big man. If you dey hold your mouth, if you had kept everything that you know and how you feel, you wouldn't in the situation that you are in right about now, you know. And you see, everybody draw themselves out and leave you one in the problem. You see how it go? So what that a simple tell you say? What that simple telling you? What that simple I tell you say? Hmm? That a simple I tell you say next time keep your mouth shut. Because you see if you never they come talk, and you never open to your mouth to somebody else, you wouldn't in the problem that you are in right about no no. You and the man would have good. Maybe we not a plan one on a maybe you guys would have been planning when you're coming to Jamaica to do a video with him. I would know that do some link up or something. But your mouth is the weapon that form it against you. You are your own destruction. I can say, stop what you're doing, come out, apologize to him, and do it sincerely, and hope that he will forgive you. Guess what? All of we make mistake, and none of us is perfect, you know. None of us not perfect, you know. So no matter how some of we are going like say we are so holy. We are not holy. All of we make mistake. The only somebody don't make any mistake are God. So once we are in a human form, we are gonna make mistake, whether we like it or not. I know a lot of people not gonna like what I'm saying, but it's just the honest truth. And what due to Caesar, give it to Caesar. I'm not the biased type of person. I am going to say things as oh me see it. You will want to search attention. I don't think that you guys used to get the mother love and the father love. Because if you know run down attention so much, you never used to get the attention wanna seek right about now. Because you guys are seeking validation. And it's the honest truth. Seeing big man uh, argue over next man. Because I gonna argue him. Wanna behave like a rat. You guys are behaving like when a rat see a food, see a piece of cheese, and him know say here what. Him want a piece of cheese there. So him a try to be the bad rat. I know that. That's you guys. That is you guys. Trust me. Una fight over things that una could have solved. Everything didn't have to come to the media. It didn't have to come to the media, but you see, because una try bring down a next person, una try bring down on one another, so wanna bring it to social media. Me, me can't just know. Because if una can do on a own friends, so what will you guys do to me? Hmm? My dear chat, like up the stream, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Please and thank you. Anyway, guys, I finally reach an hour. I'm gonna try to go over the hour and so forth. Mega end the stream because when a little later, mega come back with a silent stream because you know, girl, I work on our watch hour. But anyway, guys, I love you all. Bye for now. See you in the next live stream.